Oh, I found the teleporter.
Where is it?
Over here.
Alright, there's an
I'm
area
literally
over here we haven't been. I'm gonna go see
landing
if
in
there's
it.
more chests. Got another gunner drone. Teleporter. This is fucking bananas.
Oh my god, I don't do like any damage whatsoever. Because I've just been like holding my mouse button down all game. Nothing.
This is a pro strat right here. 7 energy drinks. And my C skill. Oh, he got my way. That's alright. We gotta get in the teleporter to charge it. So we gotta be in there fighting. Hit this portal. Blue portal, blue portal. Oh my god. Please go in there. There we go. That was so fucking close. Alright. This here.
Whoa.
Let's go, baby.
What up?
Alright, I got a new character. Alright, let's try to get fucked here again. Another soda can. Let's fucking go, baby. Another energy drink.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
We're going fast.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
I'm flying to you. Because I can do that now.
Just under
Oh my god,
3,000
I can't get
points.
on the ground. I need that. Oh, gee, that's stupid. Oh, Beetle Queen's not that bad. We got an easy boss. Oh, that's not good. I got pinched. Damn, you have like no fucking items.
Yeah, I know. You fucking stole everything.
Get all the soda can.
Jesus Christ. Dude, I felt like I was doing good until like that last 30 seconds I was alive. It was
Survivor
just,
do? Alright. We'll go easy. We'll go drizzle mode.
What's this, you fucking piece of shit? What's this?
You'll make it to the third teleporter without dying, so you'll unlock one of the characters. Woo! Yeah, baby! Oh, you... I wanted that. I wanted that so bad. Boring now that we're coming back off Monsoon. Well, that was easy.
there's these like 2 goggle things.
Oh, get those.
I don't.
Stack them.
It's in the crafting table or whatever.
Alright. Thingies. Please. I don't even care what it is, I just need white items. Because if not,
Wait, but it has a yellow outline.
the goggles?
Yeah.
Hold on. I didn't just get rid of my items thinking I was gonna get goggles.
I don't know what they are. They look like goggles to me. They're kind of
Oh my
pointy,
God.
in a V shape. One's green, one's red looking.
Oh, this is not... The
What is
fuck
it?
do you mean goggles, Bo? What the...
I don't know. It looked like goggles.
That's alright, we've got,
I didn't know what it was.
I've got
but it
scrap
looked...
for another item. I just got
Yeah.
incredibly lucky. Where's my item, brother? Did you take both of them?
I don't know.
There's one for each of us. There's not one here anymore.
I might have on accident.
You fucking idiot. But there are
Oh, hey.
blocks on this map.
Goggles. I promise. I promise I found goggles.
Alright, hold on. Oh, I see it up here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Stay away, stay away. Back up.
It is.
We got 10 of them.
Nothing is.
Yeah.
Are we just?
Yeah, not the boss.
Standing over. I'm basically standing over it.
You're
What?
not gonna believe this.
What? What is that?
Tri-tit daggers. You
No
stack
way. Do you want me to just use it?
I don't
'Cause I don't have a.
Yeah, I don't want to sacrifice my,
I can't get anything else that I can recycle. The 6 more.
I found it.
Like-
It's over by me.
Okay.
Let me pop these off. Dude, 6 of these daggers with 11 goggles is gonna go fucking crazy.
Team daggers is gonna do.
Oh my god. This is disgusting. This is unfair.
Times 30, 40,
Damn,
times
dude.
50.
Hey, baby. Hello, my old friend.
Instantly kill low health elite.
Yeah, that's... Shit. God, the fucking laser beam melts.
Yeah, I was about to say that other one's dead soon too. Maybe they just changed it. I don't know. I went okay for like 2 seconds to take off my glasses because they hurt like crazy on a headset. And I just got like gang fucked.
Yeah, I can't help you because I can't get down there. I'm way the fuck up here.
Hello there.
That's it.
Oh, you're not.
Oh, I know, but I thought it was gonna be like some giant boss, and then that popped out. I was like, really?
This is a fucking breeze. What
Yeah,
the
this
fuck?
is easy. I have a 130 multiplier on it?
Yeah, I had 132 multiplier. He's got a second phase.
Oh, he does?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. I was like, where'd it go? He smacked my balls with a hammer.
I just used it. So
Go, 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 go.
I have nothing?
Yep.
I don't know what I'm doing.
There you go. How fucking convenient of me to give you Triton decks first. Like, see that shit? That's fucking crazy. Nice. We just beat the game. You gotta book it though. Back to the beginning of when we first spawned into the map.
Okay, I got the achievement that I beat it. Are you in this?
No, if you died fighting Mithrix, then you don't beat the game. Like you have to, all players have to survive in order for, like, each player who doesn't make it to the ship doesn't beat the game.
Damn.
Yeah,
Imagine
which
doing
fucking
an
sucks.
entire fucking hour.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't have fucking lost, but I was just sitting there, I was like, where'd he go? And all of a sudden, bam! Like, one hit killed me off the top of my head. I was like, holy fuck.
Damn, where'd he go? Are you?
I recorded the whole
God.
fucking match.
And so he left with new orders and new questions.
Oh, mine says, and so she vanished, her place forever vacant.
Yeah.
I think it's because I died. That's the one I got.
Yeah.